A quick announcement for if you want to take your trading to the next level. I recently started a profitable trading signal group in which I show you and I send signals of all of my trades. If you want to join this group or if you're interested in that, go check out the first link down in the description or in the pinned comment.
Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video on SLP. Wanted to make a video on that first of all because I know that a lot of you are interested in that, but apart from that we also had a huge spike yesterday, as you can see. We spiked up from this level around 0.32 cents all the way up to 0.4 cents. With that we also reached the final take profit of a signal from the premium trading signals group here around 0.35 cents. So that could have definitely been higher, but this spike, I mean, to be honest, it looks manipulated. I still wanted to cover it because I think SLP is important to cover. I think SLP is interesting to cover, but this looks manipulated, right? So if you take a look at SLP right now in terms of volume and volume distribution, what you'll be able to see is that there's quite a lot of volume coming from, well, it actually does not look 100% manipulated, to be honest, but usually a lot of volume coming from Turkish, coming from the lira, and therefore probably from Turkey. Usually that signals not per se manipulation, but definitely increased risk, and we've also seen it in the price, right? I mean, after that we dropped down massively. So yeah, but if we take a look at it from a technical perspective, what you'll notice is that we actually touched the upper bound of kind of the consolidation we've been in. You can argue that we're in this consolidation, right, between 0.28 cents and 0.35 cents. You could also argue that we've been in an uptrend since last week Tuesday. Both are correct. So the main question is which one is going to be stronger right now? Are we going to continue the consolidation and therefore drop down, or can we find support at 0.32 cents and continue this uptrend? So we'll talk about that. I'll give you the answer, or at least my opinion on the answer on that. First, I wanted to show you again SLP. As you can see, still very deflationary, still burning more tokens than we are minting every single day. The amounts of SLP burned is actually decreasing a little bit. If you, for example, compared with the beginning of February, but it's still very deflationary. So fundamentally, I'd say SLP is still bullish. On the daily, you can also see that we're still very much in an uptrend, but on the 4-hour time frame, unfortunately, I do not think this uptrend is going to hold. There's quite a lot of bearish momentum right now in the markets. So sure, I do think we'll find support at 0.32 cents, but then from there, I think we'll continue down to at least this level around 0.3 and around 0.3 cents. From there we'll find support, and then if we can actually hold that level for 2-3 days, then we might be able to from here start another uptrend and get up to 0.35 cents. Because 0.3 is a massive support level. Has the 382 FIB, has the 200 EMA, is a psychological level, so that's really the most important or the most interesting level, but I don't think we're going to hold this steep uptrend. All right, not in these market circumstances. So it's really waiting for that. I mean, in the end, we're going to touch 0.3 cents. I think if we can hold that, then if we can hold that for 2-3 days, we've never really been able to do that. So that means that something has probably changed, and that we might be able to keep up the bullish momentum. Then we can probably hold a trend like this, as you can see. If we drop down there and we hold it, then after a while the uptrend catches up with us, and we can ride that up the wave. But it all depends on that. If we, I think we're going to find support there, as I said. But if then afterwards we just drop down below that towards 0.28 cents, 0.29 cents, we'll just continue in the same market structure, right? Which isn't necessarily a bearish thing. It's also nicely predictable, but yeah, an uptrend would obviously be better for SLP. But that's my take on the SLP for this morning and for today. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.